Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony! Today we're gonna do some color chemistry. I'm so excited! For this experiment, you'll need magenta ink, yellow ink, and blue ink. You'll need a beaker, some water, and some vegetable oil, and you'll need some super absorbing polymer and a mixing shovel. Look at this one. Isn't it cute? There are some skinny molecules that clump up to form polymers. Snow powder is a polymer that makes big clumps by drinking up lots and lots of liquid. This type of thirsty molecule is called a super absorber. Let's figure out what snow powder's favorite beverage is. Step 1. Fill your beaker to the 30 milliliter mark with some vegetable oil. Next, add 1 scoop of snow powder. Let's see what happens. That's interesting. The snow powder just dissolved. Nothing to see here. Now let's try something else. We're gonna add 1 scoop of snow powder to the beaker. Next, we're gonna add 30 milliliters of water. Whoa! There's no more water.
Wow!
It's solid. That's crazy. Wow, it's almost like the texture of snow, except it's not cold. Let's try adding some ink into it and see what happens. Whoa! It's absorbing the ink too. Cool. Hey, this gives me a super cool idea. How about we make rainbow snow? For this experiment, you'll need a display globe. You'll need a shovel, rainbow snow. That was so much fun. Thanks for exploring polymers with me. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.